Refrigerator maintenance is something that should be on your to-do list, and it's really simple. I'm going to show you how to do that in this month's quick tip. Hi, I'm Reynolds with Keller Consultants Realty, and on this month's quick tip, I want to talk about refrigerator maintenance. Now, it may not be high on your to-do list, but you probably didn't even know that it's something you should be doing. And there's really two things you need to be doing each month, and I'm going to talk about those next. So item number one is really checking the ducts from your freezer to your refrigerator. Well, you may be saying, Ryan, I didn't know I had ducts that we needed to check. But the answer is yes, you do have ducts in your refrigerator. The way a refrigerator works is that it actually produces cool air and it shoves it into the freezer part, and then it actually pulls into the refrigerator part just the cool air. And so the actual refrigeration unit is not producing two separate temperatures of air. It's really just one, and then they're regulating the airflow into the cooler part of the fridge. So if you have, say, a bag of peas or lots of ice cream that might be blocking those ducts, that can cause a problem where your refrigerator may not be working properly, even though the actual unit itself is probably working fine. You just have all the airflow blocked. And so that's actually one of the first things you should check if you have a problem. Now, the second piece of maintenance is actually to do with the refrigerator coils. And on different refrigerators, they're going to be in different places. Sometimes on the back of the refrigerator, sometimes they're underneath the refrigerator. But in any case, those can get really dirty because what happens is there's a fan that pulls air across those coils, and that's how it actually extracts cold air from the surroundings, and that pushes that cold air in. It's kind of like a heat pump, but just a real miniature version. Well, outside you have your furnace heat pump, I should say, serviced probably every couple years, and you have to do the same thing inside, but probably more often because it's not as much protected as the one outside. But the good news is that doing the maintenance is super simple. All you need to do is have a vacuum cleaner and get either a brush attachment or one of the long wand attachments and vacuum out all that dust. Now it's going to do two things for you. It's going to probably ensure that your refrigerator is operating properly, and it will probably extend the life of your refrigerator. And we want the refrigerator to last a long time because they're certainly not cheap these days. So that's this month's quick tip. Do your refrigerator maintenance and you'll have a refrigerator that'll last a long time, and it'll keep your ice cream cool because if you're like me, you've got lots of it in the fridge. I'm Ryan Reynolds again with Keller Consultants Realty. As always, it's the Ryan Reynolds team with unlimited opportunities and exceptional experiences.